Most people want success, but very few are willing to build the habits that success requires. You may not be where you want to be today, but your future can change with one simple decision: to take control of your life. Every moment you spend waiting, every excuse you make, every distraction you allow, it steals your future. The question is simple. Are you ready to stop waiting? Are you ready to take action today? Your 20s are not for comfort. They are for building yourself. While your friends are partying, while people your age are wasting nights scrolling, you can quietly work on your skills, your discipline, your body, your money, your mindset. Every great life starts with one decision: to take responsibility over excuses. The choices you make in your 20s, the habits you form, will define your 30s, 40s, and beyond. Don't wait for motivation. Motivation is temporary. Your life changes when you take consistent action, even when you don't feel like it. Motivation fades. Discipline stays. Discipline is waking up when you don't feel like it. Discipline is working when nobody's watching. Discipline is saying no to distractions. Discipline is doing the hard thing even when it's uncomfortable. Every successful person you admire has one thing in common: they mastered discipline. You don't need luck. You don't need inspiration. You need discipline. Because discipline turns potential into results. Everyone says the same thing: I don't have time. But the truth is, you have the same 24 hours as everyone else. The difference between success and failure is focus. Focus turns hours into achievements. Focus turns ordinary actions into extraordinary results. Eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone when you work. Stop wasting energy on things that don't matter. Your future self is waiting for the focused version of you. Don't disappoint him. Your life won't change with one giant leap. It changes with small, consistent habits. Start simple. Read 15 minutes every day. Exercise or walk to clear your mind. Sleep before midnight. Avoid toxic people. Limit social media. Practice gratitude. Learn one skill deeply. Plan your day the night before. These small habits seem tiny, but over time, they compound into unstoppable momentum. Success is not built in a single day. It is built daily, step by step, habit by habit. Imagine improving just 1% every single day. Only 1%. It doesn't seem like much, but by the end of the year, you won't be 10% better. You won't be 50% better. You will be 37 times better. This is the power of consistency. Small improvements compound into extraordinary results. Do a little better today than yesterday, and tomorrow a little better than today. Every person faces two kinds of pain: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The pain of discipline is temporary. It lasts a moment, an hour, a day. But the pain of regret lasts a lifetime. Ask yourself, am I living a life my future self will be proud of? Because someday, you will look back, and you will not regret the things you tried and failed. You will regret the chances you didn't take. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. Stronger, smarter, more confident, successful. That version of you is watching every decision you make today. He is counting on your discipline, counting on your focus, counting on you to show up every single day. Don't disappoint your future self. Start building the person you want to become today. Your life won't change by chance. Your life will change by choice. Choose to wake up early. Choose to remove distractions. Choose to build habits that create a better future. Start small, but start now. One habit, one decision, one step. Your future begins today. Don't wait, don't delay. Take control of your life and become unstoppable.